good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I am up and all over the place as usual. I am making my breakfast to go and pick up my girl. My boy is already ready to head out for school, and I'm ready to get my workout in. And of course, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my workout channel, be sure you do so you guys can work out with me. Okay, I am making my green juice, and if it's the first time you guys are seeing me making green juice, my green juice ingredients never change. It always 5 ingredients: lemon, apple, cucumber, celery, and ginger. And I'm whipping this up to get some energy before I head on the road to bring my boy to school, and before I run to pick up Sarah to feed her so we can get going.
Good morning, guys. Ready to go to work. Don't have much time in the morning. It's always a rush. But well, I hope you enjoy your day. Wish everybody a good day. For all the people going to work, actually enjoy today, and we see you guys soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Tara, come get some lemon and honey for your throat.
Come what?
Lemon is in it. I'm gonna put some honey and you drink it, okay?
I'm gonna drink it all.
Yes, please. Tyler is having a sore throat.
Mama?
Honey, Sarah was awake, you know, if you wanted to see her. Tell us something.
One day was trying to do.
You frightened her?
One day was
Come.
trying to do.
Girl, come. Here.
Water
Here.
and
It's alright. Drink this first. Papa frightening. No, honey. Papa frightening you? Hi. Hello. Your bottle is right here. Mama's making your bottle. Say good morning. Say good morning. She just wait. Papa frighten you? Good job, Ty. Say morning,
good
Ty.
morning. Wait a minute. They can see me
Yes, they can
and
see
you're
you.
not lifting me up and I'm not on no step.
Wow. What does that mean?
I'm growing up.
You are growing up.
Yes. They don't see me only if I'm like this. But if I'm a little bit more back, they can see me.
Yes, they can. I have 15, 20 minutes before I leave here. And I need to feed Sarah, make my green juice, and get out of here. It's okay, Mama. It's okay. Come on. Come on.
I love you, Mama. That's better.
Alright, go let me finish, please, sister. Please, Mama. Tell her you want green juice?
Yeah.
Come. You'll help your throat. Come. at your hair. Look who is awake from their nap. Who is awake from their nap? Who is awake from their nap and is ready for lunch? Lunchtime. Look at your hair. That's sleep here. But first, vitamin. Yay! Good girl. Tell them what you're having today for lunch. What will you be eating today for lunch? Today for lunch, you are having beef, sweet potatoes, and what else? Broccoli. Yes, that's what you're having. Delaveaus, made all by Mama with lots and lots of love. And I am gonna eat it all up. Tell them you're gonna eat it up. And then after you have all this food, you're gonna have your favorite yogurt. Your favorite yogurt. What is your favorite yogurt? Tell them what's your favorite yogurt. Say, I eat every yogurt, but my favorite yogurt is Activia Pear. That's her favorite yogurt, this big one. Because that's the yogurt her dad eats. That's yogurt babe eat. And she is obsessed with this yogurt. She loves it. So we decided to buy it for her for the first time and see how she takes it. And she eats off the entire container by herself. And the funniest thing about this yogurt is that it has small pieces of pear in it. So whenever she eats it, she have to like take her time to chew the small pieces. They're really, really soft. So it's good for her to get used to chewing. Though she have 4 teeth, Sarah cannot have food that is not smooth. If her food is not smooth and she feel anything in it, like for example, if I'm giving her this puree and she feels rice in it, she don't want it. I cannot make her food by crushing it with a fork or a masher. She's not gonna eat it. It have to be blended out smoothly. So I blend it in the blender. That's the way she likes it. So that's the way she's gonna get it. But she's a good eater. What you doing? She's a good eater. Sarah eat just like how Tyler used to eat. She eat up everything. What you doing? You can't put your head sideways and eat. She's so silly. You're too silly, girl. Come back. Up. Silly. She deliberately doing that. She's so funny. The only way Sarah will eat food with that is not puree is if somebody else is eating and give her some. You see yourself? You just realize yourself? Like if I'm eating, I'll give her like some rice, or if her brother eating pasta, she will eat some of the macaroni and cheese. Or if I'm chewing something in my mouth, I can give her some of what I'm chewing. But otherwise, if it's her meal to feed her like this, no, she don't want it, girl. Yay! All done! Say all done. Now it's time for yogurt. So she ready. You ready? You ready? Love it. It's yummy. It's yummy. It's yummy in your tummy. Yummy in my tummy. Yummy in my tummy. Yummy in my tummy. Look at Sarah. You're living your best life? You're living your best life, Mama? She's living her best life. She's too cute. Sarah, what are you doing? You're taking a massage on top of the balls. That must be what you're doing. She's enjoying her little alone time playing. What are you doing? What are you doing? She turned this tent into, I don't even know what to call whatever she turned this into. She's too cute. I can't. In our own little world. Say ABC for Mama. A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. She's so funny. You are so funny, girl. I can see you guys properly. I just took a break from working. Sarah is done for a nap, and it's a perfect time for me to jump in the kitchen and make dinner before she wake up. That way she won't distract me too much. So I'm gonna make dinner right now. I'm gonna do some beef mince and zucchini for Babe and I. And for Tyler, he has some macaroni and cheese in the fridge, so I think I'm gonna give him that with some of the beef mince, and everybody will be good for the night. Go get him, Sarah. Go find Tyler. Go find Tyler. Oh, ta-da! Find you. Find you. Sarah, where is Tyler? Sarah, where is Tyler? Sarah, Tyler is hiding you. Look, Sarah, Tyler is over there. Sarah, Sarah, find Tyler. See Tyler. See Tyler over there. Look, Tyler over there. Look, see him there? See Tyler under there. Look, look. Sarah, look. See Tyler there? See him there. See Tyler. See Tyler? Look, Tyler. Look. See him there. See him there. Go find Tyler. See Tyler. Tyler. Go find him. Find Tyler. Ta-da! Tyler is over there. Go find Tyler. Go find him. Go find Tyler. Go look for Tyler. Sarah, where is Tyler? Where is Tyler? She find you. She see you. She find you. Woo. Good job, princess. But she see you going under there. She see you going under there. She already see you. Sarah, where is Tyler? Sarah. You think she's stupid? Pull him, Sarah, pull him. She gonna pull the thing off for you. Pull him, Sarah, pull him. Sarah, where is Tyler?